Today is Square. Square's up 5% right now. Phenomenal trade. This is going to be really good. I entered a few days ago, but today's a really good day for entry. It's getting a break out of that weekly base. And guys, I've said this many times, in Q4, in a strong market cycle, this is an election year, there's a lot going for the market right now. During these times, you want to watch these base breakouts. And this is a big stage one break. This can take this stock very far. And Square is the type of name that once it gets running, it can make some serious movement. This can be at $100 within the next 2 days. So this is one of those stocks that you want to get in and just let it ride. If it's the weekly, give it a little bit more space for a stop loss, etc. HNST is a repeat name simply because I want to double down on this setup. I love this setup so much. The fundamentals have improved, and you can see it reflected in the price action. The stock has stopped its bleed, it's reversed, it's making higher levels now, and it's breaking out of this beautiful flag here on the weekly. It has earnings today, right? So depending on how earnings go, it'll completely change this trade. If earnings are good, I would want to get in this, right? So today it's offered a little bit of a pullback down 5%, which is good for me because I'd rather have a lower entry. We'll see how earnings look. Maybe I'll add this after hours. I'll probably give a little bit of an update in Twitter, on X, or in the Discord, which is link in bio, guys. Go check it out. TDOC is a decent setup. It's not crazy or anything. I entered it today, but I have a tight stop loss on this one. The stock has been really struggling over the last few years. So when you look at it like that, you know, you could just say that this is just a quick little bounce and it'll shoot right back down. But anyway, given the market situation right now, I would be willing to take a risk on a breakout of this base here. So, you know, breakout of this base could take it to 13, maybe 12, you know, somewhere around there. This isn't going to be a home run trade, but it could be solid. So that's kind of what I'm looking for on TDOC. It looks solid enough to take risk given the market, right? If this was just a regular market, I would not be interested in this. But given the action we're seeing on a lot of growth names, a lot of speculative stocks, I say it's worth the risk if you have a tight stop loss. OS is a semiconductor AI related trade. So obviously that's a theme the market's really liked over the last year and a half. This is a recent IPO. So stock just IPO'd. And typically when you have these recent IPOs and they're looking to take over and take out some prior highs, you can get some really nice movement. So that's exactly what I'm looking for on OS here. It's looking to get over that 35 level. And the 35 level break could be the entryway to some significant levels. Since this price has no history, we really don't know where this stock could max itself out off. It is a $5 billion market cap company, so I'm not expecting anything insane. But if we look at names like ARM, right, these are the types of stocks that also recent IPOs broke over some key levels and made it a lot further than some people expected, right? This was a really big company when it IPO'd, and it moved all the way from 73 to a high of 191. And, you know, like pretty good action off the IPO. So that's exactly what we'd be looking for on something like OS. You know, give it a little bit more room. But, you know, once the stock's off to new highs, it's in price discovery mode. It's in clean air. There is not going to be much resistance stopping this thing. So the last one today is Ford. The earnings came out, wasn't great. Stock's down 7%. But I'm looking at the bigger picture here, right? This is the weekly, and the stock is looking to get off to new highs. So this stock IPO'd back in 2020, June of 2020, and it has not made any new highs since June of 2021. So it has the potential to get over that 100 psych level and really move higher. So I like it. A lot of the fintech, e-commerce names are looking good. Like I said, Square earlier. In a similar group to TOST is doing good. So there's a lot going on right now. I think this is just one of those names that could get over that psych 100 level, get off to new highs, and, you know, really start getting into some clean room. But anyway, guys, that's today's watch list. For more, follow me on X, Discord's link in bio. Go check that out. And like I said already, go watch yesterday's video. A lot more setups there. So go check everything out, guys, and I appreciate you watching. Have a good one.